been lied to about what it takes to own a franchise. They told you that you'd need $500,000 in cash, years of grind, and a miracle. But the wealthy, they don't start businesses, they buy franchises. And many do it with no money down. Let me show you how. When I first learned this, I was grinding 80-hour weeks trying to scale the business and fix the business that I bought. I started studying leverage, real leverage, not stock options, not crypto, debt, the kind the government actually wants you to use. Take a Dunkin' Donuts franchise, for example. Let's just say $500,000 all in. Build out equipment, the franchise fee, the lease, the staff. Most people stop there. I don't have $500,000. But here's the play, the SBA loan program. It's literally backed by the United States government because small business equals economic stimulus. They cover up to 90% of the loan. You put down 10%, that's $50,000. So where does that 50 grand come from if you don't have it? Smart owners use what's called 0% business funding. They stack multiple 0% APR business credit lines, think $10,000, $20,000 each, totaling $50,000 to $100,000. They liquidate a portion of that 0% card to cover the SBA down payment. Now, the bank funds the other 90%. Results? You own a $500,000 cash flowing asset with none of your own money in the deal. Here's the math. That store nets roughly 15% net margin. That's $180,000 a year. You're paying back the debt with the business's own cash flow. Your ROI? Technically infinite, because you didn't use your own capital. The wealthy aren't chasing 10, 20, 30% returns. They're chasing infinite ones. It's chess when the rest of the world is playing checkers. Most people say, I can't afford it. The rich ask, how can I afford it? The difference is leverage. And leverage only works when you buy something boring that cash flows. Not trends, not hype, predictable, profitable, unsexy businesses. This isn't a loophole, it's policy. And the SBA was designed to create jobs and stabilize communities. You win, your employees win, and banks win. The government wins. It's one of the few times capitalism and government policy actually align. Yes, of course, there's risk. Pick the wrong franchise, over leverage, ignore cash flow, and it crumbles. This isn't investment advice. This is just what's worked for me. If you pick right, manage well, and debt becomes the most powerful wealth tool on the planet. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's get free slow and stay free forever. The next time someone tells you debt is bad, remember this. Debt bought their morning coffee, it built their gym, and pays for every sign you drive past. It's only bad if you use it to buy things that depreciate. Use it to buy assets that pay you back, and you change your entire financial bloodline. So don't fear leverage. Learn it, use it, because that's how you buy a franchise or any business with no money. Yeah.